Hello there. My name is Ben, and I wanted to show you how we haul our sailboat at the end of the season. This boat is 32 feet long and weighs 5 tons. It's a frosty morning, but there's no wind and a nice high tide, which makes this kind of work a lot easier. Sue thought I was coming in hot and couldn't reach the boat to slow me down. A bit of reverse with the engine and all was fine.
You are going fast. I can't reach you.
That's okay. Let's do it.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Gotta go forward a little bit.
Yep. Boat lead.
Right there, middle lead.
Middle lead. Oh, yeah, whole idea.
The boat is secured to the cradle, and I'm putting the winch in high gear because the boat is still floating, so there's no strain on the winch. Many years ago, when we were newlyweds, we were skiing at Pulley Mountain in New Brunswick and staying at my mother-in-law's ski chalet. She asked me if I could get rid of a big piece of red metal that was in her shed. I couldn't believe my luck when I saw that it was this winch. And it's been hauling our boat each season for about 30 years now. And this will run fast speed. Now there's a story behind the motor as well. The motor and gear that is driving the winch is actually a garage door opener, or I should say a hangar door opener. It came from the Shearwater Air Force Base in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia. The hangar was being torn down, and a neighbor of mine who had the contract for the work thought he knew just the guy who could use this. I came home from work, and it was sitting on my doorstep. Nice and quick for a moment. You'll notice that I've sped the video up. In real time, it takes about 45 minutes to haul the boat once I engage the winch. Now I'm switching the winch over to low gear because the boat has settled down on the cradle and there's more strain on the winch. In here. And everything should go smoothly. now I'm getting in, now I'm in low gear. The noise you are hearing is a safety brake on the winch, which I engage once there's some real strain on the gear. We've been hauling and launching the boat for 30 years now, and it has saved us a boatload of money. Ha ha ha. If you're interested in doing something similar, feel free to contact me. Done. It's up and it's safe. I wanted to show you the wheels on the cradle that we use for hauling the boat. I think you'll find this very interesting. After we've hauled the boat and it's secure, I jack it up and I take the wheels off. And the bearings spend the winter in a bucket of oil. These are the same bearings I've been using for over 30 years, and they're still serving well. They go in the oil, and next spring I'll put them on the cradle for launching, and then they're back in the oil. Now the wheel is just like on your car, except I took a piece of mechanical tubing and I welded it over the hub to make a bigger wheel. And the part, I call it a flange, that you bolt your rim to on your car, this keeps the cradle centered on the railway so it can't slide off. And it works really well.